Hello guys, Caribbean E. I'm at the Agora Mall in Santo Domingo. Long ride on the bus, but we're finally here. Check it out. So by the way, this is the food court. Everybody's eating here. Hope everybody just having a wonderful day, good day, and hope everything's good. Okay, anyway, cut it short. Hope you guys seen a little something. We're on the fourth. No, I think we're on the third or fourth floor. It's a pretty big mall here in Santo Domingo, and there's another mall too in one of the other cities that's kind of big like this. But basically, these are the biggest ones in the whole country. So there's word that they're going to build one in Santo Domingo. I mean, it's not Santiago. They're going to build Agora Mall. Wait and see. That will be real nice. Then we have to take this long ride down here. But anyway, I picked up my son. He's finally here. Happy for him. We'll do a video in a day or so, and you can hear his story. But glad he's here. We took the Caribbean bus down here to pick him up from the airport. We're gonna hang out here for a few hours, and tomorrow morning we'll get up and have breakfast, and then we're gonna head back to Santiago. So, like I always say on the channel, in the meantime, between the time, life is to be enjoyed. Hit that notification, and we'll see you soon. Peace. Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. I want you guys to see what I see. We're in Santo Domingo at the bus terminal. Caribbean Tours, check it out. Very, very crowded here, very, very busy here all the time. I want you guys to see what I see. Hello, welcome to the channel. The guys here that's got the little dollies, they're here to help you with your baggage. You gotta be careful. Some of them are very, very aggressive. They're out here working for tips, so it is what it is. We're here, but we came from here. This is Puerto Plata. This is Sasur. This is the map. So, meantime, plenty of time. Remember, life to be enjoyed. Put that social media subscription. We'll see you on the next video. Peace. Hello everyone, here's my cat Milo having lunch. Now, say it was a late lunch because she's eating like she never ate before in her life. That's Milo. When she's tearing it up, she loves it. Every couple months we get her a new bag, different flavor, different stuff my wife gets so Milo can enjoy her lunch. This cat eats more than I do. She eats breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and an evening snack. And in the morning I get up and give her breakfast, and she's eating breakfast, and then she eats another breakfast at 7, and she goes and take a long nap. It's almost like she's going in hibernation. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, peace. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Caribbean back at you. Hope everybody's just having a marvelous day and everything is going great. And I hope that you are in the best of health. Today I just want to come with just two quick things to remind you of when you're in the country, especially the Dominican Republic. First of all, they don't want you putting toilet paper in the toilet, okay? They don't want you doing that at all. No matter where you're at, whether you're in an apartment, a restaurant, they got a little bucket there that you can put your paper in, okay? Because the sewage system, it's not like it is back in the Matrix, okay? Things work a little different here, okay? Number two, quickly, is that some people, so maybe the Dominicans or Haitians, have problems stealing toilet seats. So if you find yourself going into a restroom, there's no toilet seat there, you gotta go real bad, you better know how to squat good, okay? Because this happened to somebody yesterday when I was at the mall, okay? Now you at a mall and people are stealing toilet seats. So things are kind of bad over here to a certain degree. You gotta watch everything, keep everything close, and make sure that you're prepared for these things. Again, watch yourself when you go to the restroom, okay, because they don't want you putting the toilet paper in the toilet and get it stopped up, whether you're in an apartment, a hotel, or wherever. I found that to be all through this country, okay? And again, number two, prepare yourself for no toilet seat, because if there's not one there and you gotta go bad, you gotta handle your business, okay? It's just one of those things that you're gonna find in this country. You know me, I'm always gonna keep you posted on what's happening, what's in, what's out, and what's going on, because I give you true good content. Okay? So again, hope everybody's having a lovely day and you're getting ready for the weekend, because I know I am. Sit back, enjoy myself in the Caribbean, because life is to be enjoyed. I'm on my way now back into my dentist's office to get them to tighten up these bracelets so they can be all tightened up for the weekend, so I can eat me some fried chicken or something. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful day, and stay safe, love each other, and until the meantime, in between the time, remember, life is to be enjoyed. Peace. Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. It's giving you guys a glimpse of the shopping mall, Jumbo, and Alice in Santiago, Dominican Republic. Oh, Las Colinas? Yeah, I'm getting lost. Here we go this way. We gonna walk that way? This is Ali's, not too far from Jumbo. Alright guys, you know what to do, subscription, notifications, and see you on the next video. Peace.